The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is generating a lot of buzz as its expected launch in October 2024 approaches. This upcoming tablet is part of Samsung's new S10 series, which will reportedly include only the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, with no standard model in the lineup. This shift indicates that Samsung might be focusing on offering more premium devices in its Galaxy Tab S series. Renowned display analyst Ross Young dropped a bombshell on Twitter, revealing that production for the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and S10 Ultra is set to kick off in August, with a grand launch planned for October. Young hinted that there might not be a standard Galaxy Tab S10 model at all. This was initially thought to be due to early development stages, but recent whispers suggest Samsung might be ditching the base model entirely. If true, this would be a game changer, leaving a gaping hole in the 11-inch tablet market and pushing the S10 series further into premium territory. It seems Samsung is doubling down on the premium experience, focusing solely on the larger 12.4-inch and 14.6-inch models, assuming they stick to the same screen sizes as the S9 series. This move might leave some fans disappointed, but it could also position the Galaxy Tab S series as an ultra-premium offering, competing head-to-head with the best in the market. The 11-inch tablet space is still something of a sweet spot, but Samsung might be reserving this size for their more budget-friendly Galaxy Tab A series. Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra tablets are rumored to be packing the Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. The RAM situation is also worth noting. It looks like we're sticking with the 12 GB for the base models, which is in line with the Tab S9 series. But here's where things get exciting. The Ultra variant is expected to offer a whopping 16 GB of RAM in some regions. This is fantastic news for power users and multitasking enthusiasts. The combination of the Dimensity 9300 Plus chip and 16 GB of RAM is shaping up to be a formidable competitor in the tablet market. According to tipster Ice Universe's latest tweet, this shift to MediaTek is somewhat unexpected, as previous Galaxy Tab models predominantly used Qualcomm Snapdragon processors, with the notable exception of the original Galaxy Tabs from 2014, which were powered by Samsung's Exynos chips. The new Dimensity 9300 Plus chip is an octa-core powerhouse, featuring 4 cores clocked at 2.0 GHz, 3 cores with clock speeds up to 2.85 GHz, and a prime core with a 3.4 GHz speed. The platform supports up to LPDDR5T, 9600 RAM, and UFS 4.0 storage, making it a strong contender in the high-end tablet market. Early benchmarks reveal that the MediaTek chip performs slightly better in certain tests, although synthetic benchmarks may not fully capture real-world performance in actual devices. According to the images leaked by OnLeaks on Twitter, the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra will retain a similar design to its predecessor, featuring a large 14.6-inch AMOLED display. The quad-speaker setup with sound by AKG is expected to remain, delivering high-quality audio for all your media needs. The S Pen is also rumored to continue its magnetic attachment to the back of the tablet, providing a seamless and convenient experience for users. The dual front cameras housed within a notch and the power and volume buttons placed on the right side of the tablet suggest that Samsung is sticking with a tried-and-true design formula. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is expected to be available in 2 sleek colors, gray and silver. This information comes from display analyst Ross Young, who shared the details on Twitter. These color options are consistent with the premium look and feel Samsung aims to deliver with its high-end tablets, ensuring that users have stylish choices to match the tablet's powerful features and sophisticated design. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is expected to run on Android 14, bringing the latest software enhancements and features to the table. This aligns with the overall push towards a more premium and powerful tablet experience. According to Young's tweet, the Galaxy Tab S10 series is expected to launch in October, aligning with a claim made by journalist Max Jambor, who previously suggested an October release. The expected price for the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is still under wraps, but given the premium specs and features, it's likely to come with a premium price tag. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra started at $1,100 or £1,250, so we can expect the S10 Ultra to be in a similar range, if not slightly higher. So what do you think about Samsung's decision to go all in with MediaTek for the Galaxy Tab S10 series? Is this a smart move, or should they have stuck with Qualcomm? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.